Chapter 9, page 254, Teacher Accountability. The idea of value added is now being tied to teacher evaluation. That's what we're finding out now. If your students are not making enough gains, then your paycheck will be reflected of that. The key accountability question has become, to what extent does the school and each teacher add value as seen through increases in test scores? And although we know that test scores do not tell me what you learn or don't learn, it is the means that we as teachers are being graded right now. School districts and states are now implementing formulas for determining each teacher's pay that include analysis of growth in student test scores. My understanding is there'll be a flatline pay, and then it is according on how well you do. There'll be more allotted money in that flat pay, but if your students don't make gains, then you don't get that. And remember that right now 35% of the students' test scores dictate your pay. 35% of your pay is dictated by how well your kids do on the scores. One consequence is even more pressure on students to do well on the test. We are breathing down their backs as teachers. I would be. 35% of my paycheck is a lot. And when we don't really feel like, teachers already feel like that we don't make enough to compensate us for what we actually do, and then you have 35% balanced on ABCD choice test, that is a problem. I don't know of any other profession where your pay is dictated by someone else's test score and scores, and I think that's where the problem is. I don't know what the answer is. I just wonder if it would be different had we not chosen the waiver. Just my personal opinion. Maybe tell me what yours is. What do you think? What if we hadn't taken the waiver and we had stayed on track where we were at with the accountability and AYP and those kind? What if we'd stayed on track? What do you think?